In this video, I will guide you on how to use Pinterest Premier Spotlight ads. Before you begin, keep in mind that Premier Spotlight ads are a premium advertising format. They're available through Pinterest ads and may require access to Pinterest ads representative or reservation feature in Ads Manager. First, sign into Pinterest business account on your browser, then open Ads Manager. From the Ads menu, click Create Campaign. Next, choose your campaign objective. For Premier Spotlight ads, you will typically select awareness or video views, depending on marketing goals. When prompted to choose a buying method, select Reserve instead of Auction. Then choose Premier Spotlight after available premium ad placement. You can select whether you want your ad to appear in Search tab or Home feed, depending on the placement available for your market. After that, choose your launch date, select the country or region you want to target, and upload your creative. Make sure your images or videos meet Pinterest recommended design specification before submitting the campaign. Review all of your campaign settings carefully, then submit your reservation for approval. Once approved, your Premier Spotlight campaign will run on the scheduled date. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.